Okay, go. Yeah.
Happy Pride! Woohoo! That's right, everyone. It's a national time of year. June. Yes, there are some cities they do Pride events at other times of year, but here in Sacramento, it's June. Woohoo! I'm down here at Lavender Heights, the most fabulous place in all of Sacramento. It's kind of like Castro Street, but for Sacramento City. Yay! Anyway, you can see a bunch of rainbow capitalism. Thank you, Absolute Vodka, for supporting the queer community. Woo! We're gonna go drink vodka. Yay! Okay. Anyway, moving on. Uh, there's gonna be boatloads of fun down here in Lavender Heights. You get wasted with your whatever, for your friends of whatever gender you want, however many people you want. It's all good fun. Don't worry, if you're straight and cis, that is not trans, trans okay. Trans right, but trans women are women, trans men are men, okay? Yeah, that's right. Intersex people are what they are. It's all good. You come in here to be safe, be happy.
When's the parade?
That's right, the parade there is going to be June 13th and 14th downtown by the Capitol, not the nation's capital, the state's capital. That's right, the big dome, all that good stuff. There'll be boatloads of people. It'll be really hot. It'll cost starting at $18 or more, but don't worry, all the money is going to go to a good cause. Okay? That's right.
And the parade?
That's right, there'll be a parade on the 14th, which is free! Free! Yes, that's right, free! That's right, there's down here in Lavender Heights, a lot better! Yay! Okay, so that'll be free. There'll also be, that morning there will be a No Kings protest, So stand up for your rights. You can see here my shirt here. I got this from Hot Topic. So Rainbow Capitalism is not dead. Hot Topic still puts out Pride merchandise every single year. Last year I remember Michael's did as well, so it should be this year too. Unfortunately, Target probably is still doing online only. Shame on you. I do have a shirt from there. So you want queer money? Go put out queer stuff. We'll give you lots of queer money. Yes, money, money, money. Everybody loves money, right?
Money, money, money.
These folks in Lavender Heights, they're getting plenty of that money. Plenty of money coming in there. It's raining money. So let's give them hell, okay? You see this shirt here. Let's give them hell. Stand up for our rights.
Yes.
We're here. We're queer. Get used to it.
Yes.
Also, of course, our supreme leader may have said that DEI is dead, but all of us queer, Hispanic, Muslim, Jewish, whatever, we're all still here. We we deserve equal rights the same as everybody else, okay?
Yep.
That's right. And we all want freedom, every single one of us. Let's be free. Let's have fun.
Woo!
Woo!